So let me show you how I am currently trying to learn new Japanese vocabulary. In my opinion, this is a very easy method in which you can learn passively through reading a lot of stuff you usually would read. So it's a win-win and it doesn't feel like learning. But I'm going to show you with an example. So for your understanding, I shot this video before as a draft, and then I showed the transcript to the chatbot and I asked it to give tips how I could improve the video. And the idea is to create or to use a prompt which will give you every answer as usual, but it integrates some translations in brackets. So this is the whole idea. I'm going to show you right now. For example, here your draft presents an interesting and useful idea for integrating language learning passively through their reading habits. So as you can see, after the word interesting, it shows me a translation of it in brackets. First comes the kanji version, then the hiragana, and then the romaji version. So the idea is, as I said before, stuff you would usually read, stuff you want to know anyways. You read it very quickly, and if you feel like it, you can focus for a very short time on specific words. The interesting stuff here is that very easy words that come up again and again, like for example here, simple, which is kantan. So this will, this will stuck forever with you because you read it again and again. And for me, I think it works, but I'm not quite sure. Here, a heads up or a disclaimer because I'm still a beginner. But I feel like after hitting like a like a wall, I feel like this is helping me a lot because, as I said, it doesn't feel like learning. It's just like an additional help for me to get into the Japanese. And of course, it works for other languages as well. And I don't want to jump into the prompt itself because it's too technical. Maybe I will do a separate video, but this video is meant to inspire you, to give you just an idea. Why not integrate some translations in your prompt or in your answers? And this works in different AI chatbots. I mean, I am currently using Perplexity here, but of course it should work for ChatGPT, Gemini, and other chatbots, of course. And I will give it a try longer, and of course I will do like a review or a recap of my experience with this method. And it also works with text, which you copy paste to the chatbot. But of course, then you need to change the prompt a bit. And in my experience, the results are not always good. Sometimes, even though you're using the same prompt, it gives you a strange answer. Then you have to be flexible and just try to fix it or give more instructions. And you can experiment with different prompts, but it is very easy. Just tell the chatbot what you want, and it will try to to give you the specific answer. I hope that I made myself clear. So this is a little bit overwhelming for me. I am not used to explain stuff on the camera, but everyone has to start out, and I hope you get the gist of it, the general idea to implement translations which you can just read very quickly while you are reading stuff in your mother tongue.